Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. So for this example, we're told that you toss a four-sided die and then flip a coin 2 times. List all the possible combinations in permutations. First, let's start by creating a tree diagram and finding the sample space of this experiment. So we've already seen that this is what the tree diagram looks like, and the sample space is therefore given by the following set. So this is what the sample space of this experiment looks like. And we can see from the sample space that there are 16 possible outcomes. Now, let's start with the permutations. We can see that each outcome in the sample space is a permutation. And so we get 16 possible permutations of the digits on the four-sided die, as well as heads and tails. So here's the list of all possible permutations for this experiment. Now let's move on to the combinations. From the sample space, we see that there are 12 possible combinations. So here are all the possible combinations of this experiment. Notice how there are less combinations than there are permutations. This is because with combinations, order does not matter. So we treat the outcome, for example, where we have a 1, a head, and a tail, and the outcome where we have a 1, a tail, and a head, as the same, because order does not matter. So from our sample space, we can see that these two outcomes are treated the same, since order does not matter. These two outcomes are treated the same, since order does not matter. And likewise, these two outcomes are treated the same, and these two outcomes are treated the same. And so as a result, this gives us 12 possible combinations. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.